Dessert's ready. All right, we're making peach cobbler egg rolls today. I got a can of peaches. I'm going to separate the peaches from the juice and set the juice to the side. I sliced up my peaches into thin slices. I sliced all of them up. Yes, all of them. And then they're going to look just like this. Next, we're going to melt some butter in the Ninja all-clad stainless steel pan. You can find that in the link in the description below. I put my peaches in the pan with the butter, brown sugar, white sugar. Depending on how sweet you want your peach cobbler, go ahead and add more if you want. Then I added some vanilla, some cinnamon, a little bit, tiny bit of nutmeg because you don't want that strong nutmeg flavor. And then some citrus. I added orange juice. And then I mixed it all up and let all those flavors marinate together. I mean, peaches is already citrusy, but add a little bit more citrus to it. You can use lemon. I didn't have any lemons. I don't know what my baby did with the lemons, but they went missing. So I had to substitute and use orange juice. Your juice of the peach cobbler is going to be thin, so we're going to use some cornstarch. And then add some water to that cornstarch and mix it up. If you want this little fancy mixer right here, click the link below in the description and you'll find one of these fancy mixers. I love that little thing. Comes in handy. You can make whipped cream out of there, mix your coffee, mix your hot cocoa. It comes out so much better than using a fork or a chopstick or whatever. All right, so when we pour this cornstarch slurry in there, you want to make sure your fire is off and you stir quickly because it will thicken and clump up really quick, just like this. You see, we're gonna fix this issue right here. This is why I put that peach juice to the side. We're gonna add some more peach juice to it and then mix it all up again. And then look, it's thin and smooth and thick. So then we get our wonton wrapper, and then we're gonna put that peach cobbler filling inside, and then we're gonna gently roll this egg roll up. Okay, it's gonna look perfect, just like that to the right. You want to be very gentle with this because if you squeeze it too hard, everything is going to ooze out and you'll have a messy egg roll. Doesn't matter what corner, left or right, you start on as long as you get those folded in. And then we're going to seal it up with some water. I'm going to show you guys a different angle. I'm going to put the camera right in front of me and I'm going to show you guys from that angle. Here is the nicely wrapped up egg roll. Okay, and then we're going to set that to the side and then work on another egg roll. This is from a different angle. This is where you will be standing. Imagine yourself standing right there, and then you put that peach cobbler filling right there in that egg roll, and you flip that angle over, and then you flip the sides over. You roll, 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 roll. Flip the sides over, and then you tuck it in. Gently though, and then you roll again, and then we seal it up with some water. See, there you go. Good job. You guys got to try this out, okay? I got some avocado oil. You want to use avocado oil, trust me. It's healthier. Vegetable oil, canola oil, corn oil, all of that causes inflammation. You got to go with the avocado oil. You don't want to fry your egg rolls too high. You want to have your heat at a perfect temperature. I'd say 365, 365, 350. And then your egg rolls will look like this. The inside is not going to cook if you cook it too high. You have an uncooked wonton wrapper. That's disgusting. You don't want that. So cook your egg rolls on a low, perfect heat. My kids were so excited to try these. All right, I plated them up, and then I sprinkled some powdered sugar on top. I did drizzle a little bit of caramel drizzle on top. You don't have to use caramel drizzle. We like to eat it with vanilla ice cream. And there we have it, everybody. We have peach cobbler egg rolls. If you found this video enjoyable to watch, leave a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on for future videos. And like, comment, and share for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.